straight up tiring it. And by it, I mean I woke up 30 minutes ago. No alarm, by the way. There could have been like a 30% chance that I just missed the entire stream and just woke up like tomorrow. I saw that you can't hide. I'm not trying to deny it, but at the same time, it wouldn't look as good if I just left it like that. I don't know. There's just something about the this. I gotta transition correctly. Did I even put the notice out, like the stream notification? I did, right? Did I? I just put all my clothes in the laundry. Just started doing all my shit now. I was so tired the entire day. Like, I swear to God, as soon as I got home from, what I need to do in the real world, I just like flopped down and slept. For reference, you can see there, it's like 1:13 a.m. and like I gotta like I just like completely like flopped down and just I don't know at like 5 p.m. or something. I've gotten like a 7-hour sleep, I will say. That's like a pretty good for a midnight nap, I guess. Laundry, yeah, that's true. Ugh. Let me wake up every gram. But welcome. Ugh. I'm not like that tired. My time is 8:13 and I also just recently woke up. Good morning. Good morning. No, it's not really moaning for me. It's more like I say good evening, but it's not really evening either. It's just like good night, but you can't say good night because or good midnight because good night would good night in like English would just imply like you're leaving. Yeah, good midnight maybe. Perhaps so. Ugh. I did remember this was the stream, right? This was the stream content that I was gonna be doing today, and it's gonna be more development because I do not have nearly enough time to do any development. Well, I mean, I did, but like for other things. But not have nearly enough time to do development for this, which is why I reserved stream time for this, because it's awesome. And I guess still the process too. Look at you. Oh my god. I remember last time we left off with this particular project. The Gwems could walk now, and that's freaking awesome. God. And that's so awesome. Oh my god. They can walk now. Look at them walking. Oh my god, isn't it so cute? Although they kind of tweak out. They kind of tweak out every once in a while, but it's okay. They started my friend started saying dark day and bright night for late night or day. You know what? You know what? That's not bad, honestly. God damn. Let me see. I need to do something. Process walking. Start action idle. Linear velocity equals walk current speed. But what's direction again? What's direction used? I completely forgot. It's not using anything great. I'm thinkings. Great. Physics is on floor equals false. You need to do like it is on wall too. Physics is on wall. I don't think I would need to do one for specifically ceiling because all that's really doing is just because the graphics start tweaking out once they I I especially like Bright Night because it sounds so good and also a little worried. I'm still sick, so I might pass out. Are you? I mean, okay. To be fair, it is like night, or I mean, it is like morning over there. But like you really should get some rest. I think. My personal opinion, though. Floor angle, get contact normal. Floor angle, I think that'd be more akin to like contact. Flying. I mean, I guess. I don't know. I will say that I still adore 3 cute little fangs. I'm so. Thank you. I work so hard to get these shows sharp. I need to like intentionally make these as like 3 little fangs anyway. But like I'm glad that I you know what, I'm glad that you find something cute in that. Oh my god. Though I'm thinking, what does this do again? Get local contact normal. Max floor angle. What's the max floor angle? 45? Okay. Then... I guess then that would be like... Elif floor... would it be something like this? I don't know. Cause that floor would be that, but like, Sit, you're so right. Oh my god. Max wall angle. Hello. Hello! Hello there. I just want to say right now that, what? My, oh, there's something exciting coming. Soon, anyway. Can you guess what it is? Oh my god, it's so awesome. Ooh. It's a delivery. Oh my god, it's so awesome. It's coming tomorrow. I mean, I ordered it like I think like the end of, okay, well, I'm not fucking hiding it from you. It's fucking like I did mention this like a stream ago. Maybe this is a test if y'all like real grams or not. It's gonna be awesome. It's true. I'm thinking so hard. Max angle, snap length, okay. So it would be like physics. Like I genuinely do not remember. Max wall angle. Then physics is on wall equals true. Should break. Actually, nah. Don't even break. Just do that. There you go. It might like lag a lot more, but well. Let's see. Let's see. Label debug. I think this is fine right now. Current action, then is walking, then is on wall. Then grem dot physics is on wall, and then add another thing for is on floor 2 because we kind of need that just in cases. I do not remember how I wrote this code. It's fucked up for real. Damn, immediately walks. That's crazy. Hold up. Debug. There you go. What if I just fling you right now? Okay, great. Well, I can't actually see it like that. Okay, well, kind of. Cause like, I don't know, the thing is that, hold on. Could maybe ease up on this. So that they can walk like 45 degrees up, but that's about it, I guess. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it does. Okay, so if right here, it's like, if physics is on a wall, then linear velocity, I don't know, would this be good? I guess? I don't know. Let's see. I guess it's just bug fixing. For nows. Ugh. So tired. Not really, but well, I like to complain that I am. Come on. Come on! You gotta move, my sweet little grams. I shall say though, it's like, it can walk up, it's just trying my best to like, okay, well, none of them are actually like walking over to this wall, which what I kind of want them to do, because at least they can kind of walk up slopes, but like at the same time it's kind of, I need, come on! Graham, I need you, I need you to like walk against the wall, please. The computer AI. They all seem to be attracted to this one spot for some reason. It's fucked up. Kinda crazy. That's alright. Although I guess I suppose if they're ever on the wall, then this should happen because I want to use navigation agent soon. But let's see. Okay, no, yeah, it's just gonna tweak out as long as I do that. Okay. Then I should probably do something about that. I do remember I was gonna do a let's see, yeah, navigation region. I do not remember how this is done though, because it's been a very, very long time since I've done so. But let's see. Get navigation. Navigation region 3D. Shut up. No, I do not want you. Navigation 3D. Good dude. Let's see. Thank you. But I need, it's baking. Okay. I need to, there you go. Navigation server 3D. Because, like, I don't want to just get, like, because if I were to get, like, a random position, right, I don't just want to get it, like, anywhere, like, around here. I want to get, like, specifically on, like, the plane the grem's in, which is also an issue I was having with, like, the camera grabbing, because it's kind of, like, a really complicated code. But should be fine, I think, C's. Unsure, though. Let's see. Get closest point. What does this even do? Ah, I see. I think I see? I don't know. But what I need to do is that I need to, can I just do random? Forget. Oh yeah, map get random points. Here we go. If uniformly okay. Then map get random point. But how does this work exactly? Cause I need to know. Cause navigation server 3D Godot GitHub. I need like fucking Godot Rust. Is this maintained still? God. I cannot. I don't know. Is it weird that I just cannot imagine someone running anything in something other than like GD scripts? Because like I don't know. It's just like I get it's I don't know. It's easier, but at the same time, it's just like I get why someone would want to do like a separate programming language, but like it's such a pain in the ass to do with like GD extension specifically. Oh great. Why? Because in navigation... There you go. Then... Map, get, no. Fucking... random point. And then... That will be right somewhere? This is the CPP file, right? Or maybe it's in the header file. Let me see. Let me take a looks. Guess not. Damn. Huh. Okay, hold on. I think I've got this. Probably like under modules or something. If I was Godot and I was doing something, what would I do? I'd probably be around here. Let's be honest. Actually, hi, what you doing? I'm doing this. Oh my god, I'm doing this. Isn't that amazing? Look at them walking. I'm making like a Tamagotchi like. Where you just take care of like a bunch of grems and it's awesome. God. But now I have to. Okay, hold on. Let me hide my desktop audio. Let me hide my desktop so I can log into my GitHub. Let's see. Two-factor authentication, right, okay. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I'm here now. Or if I can... Yay! Oh, navigate. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted, get map, get random point. Which, right here, would let me take a look. Navigation dummy. Okay, I see. Maybe that's not what I want specifically, but... here we go. I think. But it's not really telling me anything, I won't lie with you. Oh, CPP? Oh, it's... Here we go. But, like... Oh, here it is. I don't know why it didn't lead me to that, but, you know, whatever. Map, get random point. Okay, great. I'm gonna go to map. Let me see. Map. Ow! Let me see. Nav map 3D. Because I have to look now. Okay, so get random point. Great, this is just, okay. That is simply just the, here you go. The header file. Kill myself. Map iterate, oh my god! So many, okay, I did remember going up against this, that's right, I forgot. Like, there's like, it links to, like, a bunch of different stuff, and I'm like, oh my god, bruh. Let me see. Nav mesh queries, get random point. CPP, yes. Give me the code for it. Here we go. Did I write it down anywhere here? Shoebox room? Ah, I did, but I didn't. But I gave up. Oh man. If I uncomment this all out, which I very well could by going to here. I completely forgot I tried to do this code, but I'm like, no, I'm. Is it get random position for grem? Control K, that's what it was. Sorry. Ah, here we go. IBT? There you go. And a region index, which if I was following here, it probably would have been like around the same thing. But okay, accessible regions. Yeah, okay, it's like basically just this, but in GD script. Accessible regions, find closest. I don't know. Random region index. It could be true. How would I... 0, and then, in here, navigation, get transform. Here I go, yeah, what was AABB again? Great. Just blended. Global transformation. I might use that, but I'm not sure how to use that. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to think right now. Okay, so let's go over here, and then and what was AABB again? I completely forgot. AABB. It's so specific that I might be better off using like navigation server cuuTEE, but like at the same time, it's like, oh, I don't really want to. I don't really want to. Okay, here we go. And var region AABB is a navigation server 3D get region get bounds and then region ID. And so if region ABB start, no, what was it called? Position, and C is above grem global, no, Gremeliber or Gremeliber. Just because it sounds good. Just because, I don't know. It's awesome like that. Hold on. C position. There you go. Some C type shit. Just extra text. I am a Gremeliber. Just thinks about it. And random region. I'm trying to make a grem like grem grabbing random position thingies for this specifically. So the grem's gonna walk, and because it's awesome. Oh my god. But I'm having quite a time trying to do that because I something like this? Okay, hold on. Gizmos. Okay, I did at the very least. Is there a way for me to just... Okay, I don't really do anything, but, at the same time, it's just like... I don't know. Cell size, region, edges, polygons, details, simple distance, filters. It's really hard to, because I don't know how to get like a random position specifically. But because I just don't want to query for like too much, or else feel like something would happen. Because I was wondering if I should even do this in the first place, because that's right. That's the reason why I did pass about it, because it's... Oh, my bad. Because I did realize like beforehand that I don't think this is really worth it, but just because Just because I wouldn't, because there's not really any predictable possibility. Check for these. But, let's see. Let's make this, center bottom. There you go. Be like this, so if I do this now. That doesn't help at all, actually. 0, 0. There you go. Okay, well, I guess more like that then, I suppose. But let me take a look. Focus grem everything. I need to make sure if grem bounces on a wall, then it actually does something. But I'm kind of having trouble trying to do that because they would just not do what they were designed to do, and it really, as much as I love them. Ah, I see. Because walls never actually... Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Wow, okay, that was really far. Like that then, maybe? But... There you go. Oh, shit. There you go. But... Should be fine if it was like this. I don't know. Kinda crazy. It's whatever, though, I suppose. Because I am doing my best. Okay, so I have to figure out how they did, like, is on wall and everything like that, because I do not remember how to do that by myself. I don't think this is working out. So, physics. Oh, it's just me looking at... Oh, what the fuck? Okay, there you go. God. So if I were to do this correctly, then... Go to Area 3D, I want to do, maybe it's... Okay, I need to be in, like, scene specifically, because I need to, I'm, like, tweaking right now. Or I guess still, like, the browser more, like, but still. Damn, what's happening? Hold on. Let me check something real quick. I have, like, another desktop open. And if I check that, that might be... Okay, yeah, no, I'm just updating Fortnite, I see. God, okay, fair enough. Scene... 3D, physics, character body 3D, is on floor, collision state. So collision state's right there. That's all it's really... So... How does collision state get used? From collision state is... Struct 4 lawsuit... Oh, okay, well, it makes sense. Then collision state was on floor. God. Floor equals. Okay, here we go. Here's where the real shit starts. Cause let's see. If collision get angle up direction. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, collision is wall by default. I see. So if I do that, then like normal for calculating average. Like it's true. Depth normal. State wall equals false. Okay. So like a lot more simpler than I'm thinking. Jeez. Okay. So if that's the case, then set collision direction. Contact count. I mean, I guess it would be the same thing, but physics state alert. Okay, I might not look at chat just for a little bit. Collision get angle. Okay. So this works for sure. That's what I know. But if I do physics on floor. Cause there really any real need to do that now. I could do it is on ceiling too. Sure. Is on ceiling. Then this is on wall is true by default, I guess. Actually no. Physics is on ceiling. It goes false. So then ceiling angle is just opposite of up. Then that's the case. Then ceiling, floor ceiling is true. Ceiling angle. And now I had to do state.wall is confusing because you check the wall alert. This is a wall alert. Oh my god. But check wall normals can tell to floor support. Then equals true, then equals that. Otherwise, okay. Can it both be on a floor and a wall at once? I want to believe it can. It'd be kind of weird if it wasn't. But what is was on a wall? I guess you can write that down. Was on wall bool equals physics is on wall. There you go. Wall normal. Wall alert. Okay, let me take a look. P apply state wall and collision depth. Wall depth. Dot wall. What is R state? Oh, I see. Gotcha. R state is the thing that we are returning, I'm assuming, kind of. Nah. Something like that. Much. Hi. Hi! Hi, Miss Smelly. Welcome. I'm thinkings. Wall collision count. How do I check that? Picking I knows that I'm thinkings. Collision dot normal. I get that. Oh, I see. Okay. Wall collision count is 0. And if I do that, then if not collision, if not normal is equal to prox to whatever that is, temp wall col. I'm learning this just by trying to codings right now. Vector 3. This uninitialized, I suppose. Temp wall col. Then temp wall col is normal. Combined wall normal. Okay. Combined wall normal is, I mean, fucking nothing, I suppose, for now, but, well, it can always be initialized. Plus equals normal. And then wall collision count plus plus. I guess plus equals 1. I'm just grumming it so hard right now. Oh my god. Of R state wall. If physics is on wall, then if wall collision count is more than 1 and not physics is on floor, then dot normalized. It's kind of stupid, but well, there you go. Then floor angle. The floor angle comes once again. Floor angle is something like this. ACOS. ACOS normal. Normalize wall normal. Dot up. I guess vector 3 up. Vector 3 up shall work for now. Ooh, that's on me. There you go. Then the floor angle is this. Then that, and then physics is on a wall is false. Kinda, I guess. There you go. Okay, now it's like always on the wall. Great. I suppose it's just what I expect to happen, but still. Not exactly going to plan, but you know what? I could check something real quick. I could check if it's on ceiling is working as well, because that's also important. Is on ceiling. Because now it's always on the wall, but like, why? Oh shit, that's you know what, sure. That's everything. Let's see. There you go. My bad. I clicked on the wrong things. I should be more careful. But I'm not, because I'm just silly like that. If R state wall, how would you know that? Was on wall. What is was on wall ever done for? Apply state. Okay, that's set collision direction. That's also what I'm looking for. It's just that I do not know why. Yeah, I just don't know why that'd be true, if at all. I was mistaken. Let me take a look. If P applies state wall, but why though? Why? Okay, let me copy this over, and then, because I has to do something, which is, apply set collision direct result state. Where do you get that from? Not the only... Okay, there's a bunch of result states, but I'm not too sure where that is, if at all. Result state, apply state, okay. And you look for specifically something that does... that has a third parameter right now. A third parameter. The hell does that mean? Let me see something. I have to go back to collision state. Oh, I hate everything. This is collision object. I need a character body, which does have a collision state right around here. It's only on floor though, not on wall. I need a wall specifically. This tells me nothing. Great. That's what I need to know. This tells me fucking nothing. Has anyone else gotten, like... Hold on. Godot... wall collision. Wall collision. Because normally you wouldn't do this on your own, but... I am simply trying. Do my best. Trying to look on Stack Overflow right now because I'm fucking stupid. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Unity. Rigid body. Wall detection. Wall collision detection, maybe. I'm trying to look in fucking like Stack Overflow or some shit. Let's see. This is the most basic ass logic I've ever seen. I don't know. Okay. Fizz is on a wall because Fizz is on wall. It's true by default. And the only one is gonna be false if this happens. Which doesn't even happen. Maybe it's the fact that I had to set this to vector 0. Let's see. Let me take a look. Okay. So now it's always on the wall again, which I do not know why. let me see. Let me see how they did it. And by they, I mean wall. Now I have to think about fucking wall collision now. Floor angle. If wall collision count is 1. Okay, judging from these, if I just do like... How would I do walls? If physics is on wall, alright, so I guess for now we said this is false. I'm probably just using like super rudimentary like wall thingies. But I don't know if because I don't wanna like do like because if I just do like contact wall, then it's not gonna work out so well. So what I want to do is that okay, make it so you'd be able to like walk up against like stairs or something, but how would you make them walk upstairs if... Because all the resources I've been getting is like super like simple. It's like just put it in a group. But I don't want to do it in a group. I want to do it right away. But there's the part where my brain starts hurting. I start wanting to kill myself. God. Would wall normals even matter? Oh my god, I keep doing this. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Could I? I mean, I don't know. Cause like, okay, cause what I was tempted to do is do something like this, but at the same time, it doesn't feel right. Because at the same time, like, I don't want to do like just like up direction. I want to do like, cause like I also want to do what do you call it? You know, I just want to do a wall angle. Cause I don't know, that feels weird. Cause like okay, cause if that's the case, then it's gonna be like then like the grab because like the grem could very well just walk up the slope and just not be able to collide and just turn around, and I just not what I wanted to do. Nice BG, thank you. I'm gonna blur that out after. Just, guys, I want to keep. Oh shit! It's Fortnite. No. Thank you. Thanks, Epic Games. Epic Games jump scare. God. I was wondering, like, why my entire PC freeze for a second. God. But... could it be something like this? Thank you, Epic Games. We really need you right now. I'm sure. Nope, that is not what to do. Now it's always false, and I do not want it to be false. Ugh, this pisses me off. How would I do this, if at all? That's the question that we all wonder. I don't know. Then that's the gist of it. I don't know. Maybe you can just tweak for now. I'm not too sure. I'm not having fun right now. So, tweak. Because flooring and ceiling can be perfectly fine, but walls are something else. Specifically walls. I'm gonna have to look into this later. It was completely fine. I don't know. I don't feel satisfied with that right now. And maybe if I stumble upon this for some more, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna get like nothing done. So it's a shame, but it is what it is. Let me see if there's anything else. Because if not, then winter follower. Camera position. No, because body 3D. Just thinking of something, but I forgot. No, did I ever use this anywhere? I don't think so. Huh. Okay, so I wanna, for this, I would like to mouse exit, because no, okay. The thing is about that is that okay, what I'm thinking is that, right now what I want to work on is this specifically, because, like, you see, like, right here how, you can still click the UI buttons, but, like, underneath the menu, you can still click the grams, and that's, like, kind of not what I want to happen, like, at all, so, I don't know. Like, it's cool, but at the same time, it's just like, ugh. So the real question now is, how would I make it so that if you hover over any control node, it just doesn't do anything? That's what I'm like, now that's my struggle. You know what? I hate everything. Control node. In Godot. Force drag, get anchor. Get begin, get end. Get screen position. Yep. Yep, parent control. Yep. Work mouse as well. Because focus is something completely different that I not want to deal with right now. I need to check. The controller does work with everything, right? I need to check. Whoops. There you go. If I hover over this. Nope! Great! Just what I want. Ugh. Damn. I'm gonna kill myself. Seriously. It's like, I don't know. Why is it so hard? Why is... You know what? Why this program has to be so hard? I'm gonna kill myself. Gwenbox. Because this doesn't work, because then it won't actually do anything, I guess, is what you can say. But... focus mode? Maybe. Disable 3D input when hovering over control node. Good tell. Okay. I know. It's gonna be messy, but I do know. Grembox UI element. Me kinda messy. But for now, I can just do this. Which, okay, wait, I need to work with tabs. I don't know why it still keeps doing this. I'm gonna kill them, genuinely. Class name, grem box UI element, and then extend control, because I need to do something like function mouse and what? Function already. Mouse enter. That is a okay. That is a thing. Then gonna be kind of messy, but on mouse entered and then on mouse exited. Exited. Is there an auto load by any chance? There is. Grembox. Okay, I see. Then, Grembox game. Sense node. UI bool is false, but if this is the case, mouse enter is connect on mouse entered, and grembox pointer hover. Wait, what? Oh, because it's just called pointer. Right, pointer hovering over UI equals true. Otherwise, it's gonna be false right here. I'm gonna use the signals. I wanted a cleaner way to do this, but well, it's not really a good way. So this just has to do mouse exited, connect on mouse entered, and mouse exited. So if I do that, then grem grabber, or pointer hovering over UI, then don't do anything, but allow drag, dead zone. Otherwise, if you just click on it, then or pointer hovering over UI, then don't do that. Okay, if selected grem doesn't equal null, then we just room unfocused grem, I guess. Oh, right. Let me see. HUD grem select. Okay, that's gonna be over. Yeah, it's gonna be over here. So add a new thing called grembox UI element. It's gonna be okay. Well, I can immediately see a problem. It's just I'll kill myself over it. Print entered and then exit. Okay, so it does work, but okay. The grem thing is still doing this when the grem selector, that's the problem. Hovering over UI. Ah, I see. Okay, then if not enabled or return, that is the problem. Thank fucking God. Okay, there we go. If room selected grem doesn't equal null, then room unfocused grem. There you go. I do not know why it's happening. Great. Okay. So, there's a problem. Very obviously. Is that room selected grem is null. Return unfocused grem. Func let go of grem. Guess it could just be only the grem, but well, not just like every single object in a room, but like the grem is like pretty, like the best thing right now. So if room selected grem, then you go null, then that. I should probably make this like a global object selector. I won't lie. I'll work on this after that. Just like selected object, maybes. But for now, okay. Then let go of grem. So what's gonna happen to grem grabber? Same thing here, essentially. And let go of grem. Yep, there you go. And grem selector. There. There you go. Okay. That's satisfactory. Okay. What I want to do is I also want to move the camera around. The camera itself will probably be a physics object. Like so. Hold on, there's something grave I need to do. Okay, I'll just do it right now. I go to the bathroom. Hold up. Sorry, I'm back. Hi. Okay. What did I want to do again? I completely forgot. Um. Oh shit. Right, okay, hold on. You need to do like a camera mover. That's the main thing. Shut up! Epic Games! No! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Jesus, why now? Please! God! Whatever. Why do I have two OB? Okay, never mind. That's my studio camera. Ugh. We love that. Shoebox, camera, mover. Okay. What I want to do with this class specifically is I want to shoebox, camera, mover, extend, you know what? I could do character body in this one, but okay, I might. Just might. Cause I also want to do a thing where, what? Character body 3, okay. I don't know, it's weird how I want to do it. So basically, okay, so imagine you're here and then, like, okay, you see how, like, if I hold down right click right here, you can, like, move the camera around and everything? Well, instead of like, rotate the camera around, instead of that, I want you to, like, physically move the camera like this. Like, if you hold down right click, you, like grab, and then you just, and then, like, just stuff like that, you know? And be super awesome! Let me get started on that now. Export, var, drag, speed. And then that's gonna be, what? Actually, no, I mean, okay, well, I think it'll be fine. The thing I need to do is, I need to, func input, password now, but, okay, pointer press, pointer, camera move? I don't know. Pointer camera. And it's gonna be, what? Pretty much just right click, and then... There you go. And then, what? If not event is action, pointer camera, that's known as to no event is action pointer camera, then return. Otherwise, actually I could just do this with, okay, hold on. Physics process. And then okay, so delta so first off, let's have a speed function right here. Just, or actually, no, this does have a velocity function, right? So, move and slide, and then, but that goes after everything. So if pointer is dot is pressed, if not pointer is pressed, then return. Otherwise, no, not return. If pointer is pressed, then and put pointer. If not, pointer hovering over UI and input. I should probably clean this up like later. I say I'm gonna do that, but like I never do. Is action pressed? Pointer press. This never works. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill VS Code. Pointer camera. Then let's see. How did I do the Grembox pointer? No, not this. Specifically shoebox grem selector. Here we go. Because this was okay. Process pointing. No, it's not what I meant to do. Pointer follower, project position. No, cause oh, was it here? Okay, might have been, but target position. Swing alert. I need to... What do I want to do again? I, like, genuinely forgot. Because I was trying to... Seriously. Pointer dot pointer hovering over UI and then pointer camera was it pointer velocity I want to do? I genuinely forgot. How did this work? That's what I want to know. Shut up, I do not need to deal with you right now. Grabber. So grabber by itself is a static body 3D. And then here, is that true? Yes, that is true. Hello, hi! Welcome in. I haven't seen you around before. No, that's so, welcome to the channel, yay! I'm suffering, I don't want to kill myself, but it's fine. Not really, I'm just struggling with this specifically right now. Moon collide, target position, minus, okay, got it. If that's the case, then motion, okay, got it. So, velocity equals what? Okay, not global position. Pointer velocity, I guess? Kind of. Pointer get velocity. But it only applies to, like, vector. Okay. Vector 3. Kind of cast it like that and then 0. Is that how it works? Nope, that's not how it works at all. Great. X. Point to get velocity Y. 0. Else. What velocity equals velocity lerp towards vector 3 0 and then just sure, why not? And then for here we shall have a camera mover like that, and then static No, what I wanted a... This could have worked, couldn't it, actually? Let's see. It just had this to be a static body 3D. And then my velocity to 3. And then, there you go. Move and collide. If velocity is prox vector 3 0, then just make it 0. There you go. And then do that, and then shoebox camera mover. Here we go, and then clone shape out. Ideally, I want to duplicate this and just do that. So just do that, and then there you go. If that happens, then okay, it shouldn't be that much of an issue. Just oh my fucking god. Jesus. Okay. Let's change that. So, camera sensitivity. Vector 1, and then let's see, times settings dot camera sensitivity. Great. Base velocity, I guess. Equals that. Times settings, camera velocity, camera sensitivity. Const camera sensitivity. And it's gonna be equal to like 0.2 maybe times, and then perhaps something like base velocity, and then there you go. And then, just for good measure, input mouse mode is captured. Otherwise, that it's just gonna be like hidden for now. Jesus. Okay. Problem. Okay. So it's not like as egregious, but what the hell is going on? I'm so serious. Okay, 2, 3 position. Just grabbing. How'd you know that? Am I fucking stupid? Did I already do this? Hold on. I already did this, didn't I? I'm fucking stupid, aren't I? I did. Okay, great. I am stupid. Let's see. If anything, I could just do it like this. So, instead, just return at this point. There you go. Default sensitivity. Okay, right. Great. Glad to know that I'm fucking stupid and I already did this. But worse, I guess. Did this work better? I swear to God, it did. Let's see. I mean, not really, I guess. Actually, no, I think this worked better for sure. Hold on. It did not. Great. That's just what I need to know. Or is it because this is happening? It must be this, right? Because if I didn't have that, then it would move just... But not really? I don't know. It's so hard. God. For reals. This makes me wonder if I did it like a really stupid way that that is like weirdly complicated. So, then I apologize for myself, but also, velocity. Get velocity, and it's that, is velocity ever emitted ever? Great. Velocity equals position minus last position equals position. Then okay, then what's the problem? Or this that's doing it. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Like shittily the felt. There. God. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. But I think I'm beginning to see the problem. Okay. Wait. So if and input device mouse, maybe? No, it has to be like right here. I'm stupid. There you go. And then current position, otherwise current velocity equals event dot velocity. Is that good? That's good. Let me see. I'm gonna kill myself. Why? Screen relative? What? Okay. What's the last position? This gets invoked regardless, but let's see anyway. Okay, so it works a lot better, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. It's like, it's still tweaking for some reason. I do not know why. Genuinely. Print base velocity. What's happening now? What? Oh, I'm gonna kill. Oh, of course. Why? Oh, it always does this for like no reason. Why did it do that? Hold on. There. God. It needs to print with tabs, not. It needs to do this with tabs. On this specific project, and only this specific project. Okay, so it's really struggling. But, if I do something like this... What? Great. That's really what I need to know right now. Alright, does fucking nothing. Great. But this does whatever it wants to, which is not good, because... There is grabbing, then... Oh, I see. My brain is farting right now. I might have just been better playing Fortnite or something, but well. What pressure? What am I thinking? Relative? Is that what I wanted to do? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, that worked a lot better. God, but let me see. Can't believe that's all I need to do. Hold on. And then... Okay, that's a problem. So, I'll fix that later, though. Unless I can just do this now. But it's, like, really laggy for some reason. I mean, that's probably because I'm running that at 60 frames while this is... Everything's going on, like, 70 frames, but it's okay. Or 120 frames. I could... Okay, hold on. For this, I could do... Turn on, like, physics interpolation if I can do that. That feels a lot better. But it doesn't have enough drag to it. Let me see. I want drag as well. Okay. So then I can drag the camera around like that. A little bit more drag though. That's too much drag. Um... There you go. I'm gonna have to do something about that. No, what the fuck? Okay, I think I remember. Okay. Odd. I think I remember why I wanted to do character 3. So if it bumps into something, then I could just, if it bumps into something, then I just zero out the velocity, I guess. It's okay. I'm having a bit of a brain fart right now. I think that's where I ended off. Thank you, though. Oh my god. I'm struggling. I'm a struggler today. It's okay. Maybe today's just not my day. It's okay. Thank you for joining me regardless. Let me push this. Camera. And allow player to drag camera. Yay! Isn't that awesome? Okay, I think that's all for today. It's 2 hours for basically fucking nothing. That's awesome. But yeah, I'm tired. but I still had some semblance of fun, even if if all the way through I just said I wanted to kill myself all the way. God, I'm so silly. It's whatever. Alright. Thank you for rails. Alright, I'll see ya, I'll see you later. Heavy Graham. Okay. Bye oh, I'm dying right now, I'm sorry. I'm trying to think of my ending, but I can't even, I don't know, something, take care of yourselves, because I'm fucking tired. And excited for tomorrow? You're so right. Tomorrow's just gonna be a Fortnite Fridays, but I'll update you on what's going on. I'll update everyone. But yeah, let's see. I'll see you later. Alright. O2Any, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye! Actually, bye. I think it's like 3:11 a.m. Alright, have a good morning, afternoon, evening. I'll see you later. Bye, Evergram. O2Any. Oh, I didn't get the goodbye stream. Professional streamer, alright? Okay, bye!